Hi, my name is Jessica Dean, and I'm a Principal Developer Advocate here at AWS. In this video, we're going to talk about application autoscaling. ECS is a powerful solution that helps you run your application containers on AWS. ECS has a wide range of feature integrations that help your containers benefit from the full power of the AWS toolkit. One of these integrations is application autoscaling. Application autoscaling enables reliability and efficiency for your container workloads. As you build your application and get lots of users, eventually you'll see that demand varies throughout the day. Sometimes you may need more containers to handle increased traffic. At other times, you'll want fewer containers in order to save costs. That's where ECS autoscaling comes in. Enabling autoscaling for an ECS service starts with clicking Update Service in the ECS console. Scroll down and click to expand the Service Autoscaling section. We're going to enable autoscaling and choose a minimum and maximum number of tasks to run. The minimum number of tasks is useful if you want to ensure that you always have a high availability replica set of tasks. The maximum sets some constraints on how much compute resources you might have to pay for if you start getting lots of unexpected traffic. Now we need to attach a scaling policy. I recommend target tracking because it is the easiest way to get started with scaling. The idea behind target tracking scaling is that ECS is constantly sampling telemetry from your application to measure how much CPU and memory it is using. It stores this telemetry as a metric in CloudWatch metrics. You can then use that metric as a scaling signal. For most applications, the best metric to scale is on CPU. In this example, I'm going to give the policy a name, Scale on CPU. For the metric, I choose ECS Service Average CPU Utilization. Now I choose what CPU utilization I'd like to try to maintain. I'm going to try to keep the service at about 80% CPU utilization. Next, I control how often I'd like to scale out and scale in. I'm choosing 60 seconds as the scale out period and 300 seconds as the scale in period so that the service can scale out a bit faster. But it won't scale in too fast. Now I scroll down and click Update. If I view the Services Configuration tab, I see the autoscaling rule I defined. This is going to try to keep CPU utilization at 70%. It will reduce the number of tasks down to a minimum of 2 if the CPU utilization is consistently below 70%. It will increase the number of tasks as needed to keep the CPU utilization from going over 70%. Let's test it out. I'm going to use a load test to send a bunch of synthetic traffic to my service now. And here we are a few minutes later. I can see that the number of desired tasks has increased automatically. And I can see that my service CPU utilization metrics is at a comfortable level that keeps my service online. But I'm also not wasting money by running more tasks than I actually need. Elastic Container Service comes with powerful built-in serverless features. Autoscaling is just one way that ECS helps you orchestrate production-ready container deployments. For more info on building with ECS, please visit our Getting Started page, where you'll find more videos like this one.